Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobiles RYK YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Snapchat login error in iPhone. I am happy to help you with that. To fix a Snapchat login error, try these following steps. Fix Snapchat not login error. Fix could not connect. Please check your connection and try again. And Snapchat login back and fix these issues. All issues, Snapchat login issues. Number one is make sure check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. Try resetting your router or modem if necessary and fix this issue. Simply, number one is open the settings, tap on Wi-Fi. If your Wi-Fi is security is weak, try another Wi-Fi and fix login problem. If you are using mobile data, make sure your data plan is available or signal strength is smooth and fix your problem. If solution number one is not working, now applying the solution number two. Solution number two is verify your login creations. Double check your username and password. Make sure you are entering the correct information, entering the correct username, email or password and fix this problem. If solution number two is not working, now applying the solution number three. Solution number three is check your Snapchat app update. Tap on the App Store app. Tap on profile icon. If Snapchat app update is available, simply update the Snapchat app and fix your problem. If solution number three is not working, now applying the solution number four. Solution number four is if you are using Android device, clear app cache and data and fix your problem. If you are solution number four is not working, now applying the solution number five. Solution number five is check for accounts issue. If you have recently changed your password or username, try log in with your previous credential username or password. So please change your username and fix your problem. If all solutions are not working, try log in on a different device. You are able to log into other device. The issue might be specific to your current device and fix your problem. If all solutions are not working, contact Snapchat support. If none of the above steps works, you can reach out the Snapchat and fix your problem. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix Snapchat login error. Snapchat could not connect. Please check your connection and try again. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.